That's right. That's right. You can never take away this feeling.
Ready. Wow. So yan, nakita nyo nag-warm up tayo ng PVC pipe. So kung ano yung working sa inyo, pwede nyo gawin. Like if gusto nyo mag-treadmill muna bago mag-training, okay lang din. So ako ginagawa ko yung PVC pipe kasi nga gusto ko ma-warm up din yung joint ko para friendly kapag nag-training tayo. Lubricated na, nagawa na natin yung range. Walang masakit, so na-assess natin agad if may restriction tayo sa movement. Yun yung pinaka-assessment natin bago tayo mag-training. Kung may masakit na range, wag natin gawin, wag natin pilitin. So as much as possible, dun tayo sa komportable lang. Okay? So first exercise natin is incline Smith machine press. Kung wala kayo nito, pwede naman kayong mag-barbell or mag-dumbbell. Okay? Kung wala kayong choice. Ang target natin, upper portion ng chest. Syempre, ito yung kailangan natin palakihin ngayon. So dito, ibang approach gagawin natin. So dahil chest and back tayo, alternating. So chest, back, chest, back, chest, back. Para balance yung distribution natin ng energy dun sa training. At the same time, ang training approach natin is like 10 repetition lang, pero close to failure lahat. So magtitira lang tayo ng 0 to 2 reps in reserve. So let's go. What's up mga Kevin Aesthetics? So nagkamali tayo last week, kala ko 8 weeks out ako. So 6 weeks out tayo. Nandito tayo sa pinaka home gym ko dito sa Cavite, itong ATL Fitness. And then sasabihin na rin ni Ma'am Carmen yung rate dito, yung monthly, yung promo, and kung kailan pwedeng mag-walk-in. So ayun, Ma'am Carmen.
Hello po everyone, I'm Carmi po, na brand ambassador ng ATL Fitness. And I would like to offer you po sa promo namin right now na waive po ang membership namin and 2.5 for access card lang po yung ating babayaran. So one-time payment and lifetime na rin po siya. And sa regular rates naman po namin is monthly. Pag sa 1-year contract is 1,800. Sa 6 months naman po is 2,100. And we have short-term period ng contract na which is na 5,100 po siya, paid in full.
Ma'am Carmen, di ba pag nag-member dito sa Imus, dalawa na kasing branch tong ATL eh, Imus tsaka yung Bacoor. So kapag ka nag-member dito, pwede rin silang mag-workout sa Molino, sa Bacoor.
Of course sir, accessible na rin siya sa Molino branch namin.
So ayan, sa mga gustong mag-member, sa mga gustong dumayo, mag-walk-in, punta lang kayo dito, ayan, hanapin nyo lang si Ma'am Carmen, tapos i-assist na kayo dito sa gym. So ayan, start na natin, huwag na natin patagalin, 6 weeks out, chest and back tayo. Let's go! First set natin, close to failure agad. So magtira lang tayo ng at least 2. Or kung kaya nyo ng 0, okay lang yun. Pero ako, tinitira ko yung sa last set eh, yung fail. Huwag kayo masyadong mag-expect na malakas tayo ngayon kasi pang third day low carb natin. So may 3 approach kami sa carbs. So meron kami low, medium, high, tsaka rest day carb. So ngayon pangatlong ano ko na, low. Wala pa kaming high, tapos cheat meal ko last 3 weeks ago pa. So sunugan na talaga tayo.
That's right. That's right. You can never take away this feeling.
Set tayo at tayo ulit ng 2.5. So huwag kayong mahiya na mag-progress ng sobrang liit. Okay, kasi nga ang goal naman natin is muscle tension. As long as ramdam nyo yung muscle challenge sa maliit na add ng weight and nakokontrol nyo and hindi na nasa-sacrifice yung form, mas maganda.
Taking it minute by minute, becoming the hero I came to become. Knowing I do what I do and I do it, I ain't gonna stop till it's done. Can never fool me, I got all it takes. I'm gonna stick to my guns, never
like ng lagi kong sinasabi. Kung gusto nyong pumayat, kung gusto nyong makondisyon, balik nyo yung plato. Next natin, single arm dumbbell row. So dito yung position ng paa. Depende kung saan kayo mas komportable. Pwedeng naka-backward tong working position, or pwede rin naman to. Okay? Ang goal nyo naman dito is for stability ng hips. So kung nagko-collapse yung hips nyo dito, mas maganda ito. Then ang main target natin dito is lat portion. Okay? So ang way ng kamay papuntang hips. Yan, hindi siya palabas. Okay? Kasi kung ilalabas nyo lang din, pull out nyo na para mag full upper back na kayo. Okay, pero kung lat bias tayo, syempre papuntang hips yung elbow. Ito. 3 sets by 10, close to fail tayo.
I'm knee deep, need a dub, best that you seek me. I'm too sick, yeah, I know I make it look easy, 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 easy. Yeah, tell them don't try to play me. Yeah, 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 I'm drippy on the daily. They can never count me out, they can never count me out, I know. They can never count me out, they can never count me out, I know I make it look easy. Make it look easy. I know I make it look easy. Make it look easy. I know I make it look easy. Too smooth, I make it look easy. I know we make it look easy. Make it look. I know I shoot my shot, better play up. Make it look easy, that's a layup. Bad man. Why they wanna be like me inside my blue wavy, swallow your.
Tapos ito pa mga bro, okay lang gumamit ng momentum as long as na-challenge yung target muscle. Mostly nang gumagamit ng mga momentum technique, yung mga advanced lifter na like namin, katulad namin, mga bodybuilder, yung mga nagko-compete, mga athlete. Kung makikita nyo, hindi sobrang strict ng movement. Okay, meron at merong gamit ng momentum, ng technique para mas ma-challenge yung muscle. Pero dun, pumapasok yung pagiging advanced ng athlete. Kasi kaya nilang i-connect yung movement, yung momentum directly sa muscle. So kaya nilang i-fire up yung muscle fiber. Like kapag ka nag-pull down ka, di ba, nang mabilis. Pero sobrang heavy. Meron na silang stability doon. Meron na silang kung saan magpa-fire up yung muscle na kaya nilang i-hold yung tension. Kahit pa na sobrang bilis. Nang hindi nagko-compensate yung ibang accessory muscle. Kaya hindi nasasayang kahit na mag-heavy, kahit na mabilis yung movement, kahit na gumamit sila ng too much momentum, magka-fire up pa rin yung target muscle nila. Kasi advanced athlete na sila, mabilis na yung mind to muscle connection nila, sobrang improved na. Mas mapupush nila yung limit nila. Yung strict technique naman doesn't mean na super slow lahat negative. Like sa press, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, sa strict movement naman, mostly naman ng in-negative mo is yung eccentric part, yung stretch position ng muscle. Like sa chest press, dito ka lang mag 1, 2, 3, then explosive. 1, 2, 3, then explosive. Kasi kung lahat yan gagawin mong strict, ma-burn out agad yung muscle, mapapatig agad yung accessory. Mas hindi mo matatarget yung target muscle mo. Mas hindi mag-grow yung muscle. So sayang. Next tayo.
Taking it minute by minute, becoming the hero I came to become. Knowing I do.
Next natin, high cable crossover. Ang target muscle natin is in lower pec. Okay, so ang way natin papunta rito. Then pabuka. So, if irap kayo na ma-feel yung lower pec nyo, ang pwede nyo gawin is rotate yung arms. Palabas, ito. Kita nyo yung movement ng arms ko. Yan. Okay. And then as much as possible, maintain yung chest up. Wag to. Chest up. Yan. Kaya sobrang importante yung picking ng weight dito. Kasi mabilis ma-out kayo ng form. So, sayang. Next natin, throwing machine, neutral grip. So if wala kayong machine na ganito, pwede kayong gumamit ng cable yung seated. And then maghanap lang kayo ng mag grip, yung white. Okay, ang target natin is mid upper back. May hit natin yung rhomboids dito tsaka lower strap. So short movement lang, din natin kailangan mag-pull ng ganito. So ang kailangan lang ma-stretch yung pinaka back. Then chest up. Chest up. Bali, third exercise natin ng chest, reverse Smith machine chest press. Ang target natin is yung mid portion ng chest, tsaka lower part. So dito, importante yung positioning ng torso. Huwag masyadong naka-arch kasi the more na mag-arch ka, yung angle ng chest, mas may stretch yung lower part. So kailangan medyo semi-flat para ma-emphasize pa rin yung mid part ng chest.
Try to hit your line, but no answer. I should hold you for ransom. I should hold you for ransom.
The GPS signal has been lost.
I never let none of you close to me. I'm in the cut like I'm supposed to be. The ones that betrayed me had love for me, or so they told me. They're making it hard, taking it back to the old me. Don't play with the Reaper. You can pay for what you sold me. Badman, all you fears to watch his movies. Just don't cross the line, cause things get moody. Share my loot, my time, I find out men them use me. Man put money on my head, I feel like Uzi. It happens to be, if it happens to me, then the tragedy feels much worse. And I passionately believe that these reasons will one day be my hearse. I casually see I'm a casualty, and I promise I feel like I'm cursed. Don't let them see I was bringing you down, you gotta act like it don't hurt. It's so hard not to act reckless. So young, but I'm feeling restless, yeah. It's so hard not to act reckless, but I'm young and I'm feeling restless, yeah. Coming to worse and it's coming back round for you.
Going ghost in a phantom. Try to hit your line, but no answer. I should hold you for ransom. I should hold you for ransom.